Rainfall may be heavy at times. Hogging of water can be expected on roadways and in low-lying areas. For the period Thursday through Tuesday, widespread rain will return to the region on Thursday, following a short break in the rain after midnight Wednesday night.
Alright guys, here we go. Here we go, guys. We got the